One from Just Imagine Journals in Australia. Today I have a tag book for you, which I've made for a friend in the US, Dale, and she's very clever and made these Yesterday's Memories digital kit, which she very kindly gifted me, so it was fun playing with that. So the theme is, as the title suggests, Yesterday's Memories, so photo albums, family memories, and an idea of slowing down and enjoying life. So I've used a lot of 3D elements, so the little butterfly, a lot of embossing, and this is a little door that opens, family memories, tag which opens up, and some more journaling space. All of these are her digitals. And then this is a little scrappy book I've made with coffee dyed papers, thanks to my friend Cindy, who gifted me those. Some more of Dale's lovely papers. And I've used this butterfly as a recurring theme. So I've made a little secret photo album here, and it's some stenciling, our heritage, our family. And this, I believe, is one of Dale's own personal family photos. So that's rather special to include that. I do love this little lace trim. And this was something of hers which I printed out onto some paper which came as interleaving for the old overhead projector transparency acetate sheets, and I think it has a lovely aged effect. Little pocket there. And this is a cluster, but which also hides a little secret pocket. So that tucks into there. More embossing. And I'm partial to little houses, so I've made this accordion fold out. And this again, I believe, is one of her personal family photos. It's from the kit, so it says family there, and some stenciling on the back. And then this journal card with some fabric, and the pocket is from a strip which my friend Cindy gifted me, and it says gratitude. And then some more embossing on the back. So it goes with the grunginess of the papers, and that, I think, is a style that she enjoys as well. So I hope that you enjoy the journal, Dale, and I'll put your details at the bottom for anyone in the description if anyone's interested in looking at your Etsy site, Dale's Not Too Shabby Chic, and your YouTube, Not Too Shabby Chic. Wonderful ideas and books, journals that Dale shares there. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.